Every day, on every campus, thousands of students, teachers, and staff members are making connections thanks to the incredible technology available in our school district. Our dedicated IT team works behind the scenes to make sure the computers in our classrooms and offices are ready for what the year holds in store. It's called a computer refresh, and this summer, 10 schools received new, updated equipment.
Orange and yellow are new, and cardboard, or what we call speed bins, are all the old stuff, so that we don't compromise the inventory.
For the past 14 years, the whole process has been spearheaded by Linda Seibel. Her team handles around 25,000 computers in a summer, from the new ones being installed to the old ones being taken out and repurposed. But the work on a refresh project starts long before the summer begins.
The overall process for the entire refresh begins in, would you say, October?
September, October is when we start working with finance, start talking about the budget, position control, and making sure that we've got enough for the staff.
We're also meeting with the instructional teams, the CTE program leads, along with the school leaders, principals, assistant principals, team leads, to say what are the instructional models or programs happening at the school, and making sure that the technology matches up with those instructional models. And part of what we do is we spec out not what do they need in terms of technology for next school year, but what's going to last them really 4 to 5 years, because what we don't want is that fourth year for them to say the technology is not meeting our needs.
When it comes to technology, it's not a one-size-fits-all model. The IT team makes sure the computers are working optimally for each student and classroom environment. An eye-opening trip to Southside Elementary led Linda to make a strategic decision on the size of some of the computers we purchased.
They didn't really have a lot of real estate on the desks. This is what our desktops were. We've always had the big footprint. So now this is the desktop. This gives them much more real estate. It's out of the way. It hooks on the back of the monitors and has the same specs, not more actually, than the bigger footprint.
This is a time size does not matter.
Linda's team works like a well-oiled machine. First, crews remove the old equipment, which is then tracked, packaged, and sent to the warehouse for storage and repurposing. Once the rooms are cleared, the new equipment is dropped off. The setup team is next, followed by the scripting team, who connects the computers to the school's network. Finally, the quality control team does a final inspection, ensuring every device is ready to go.
My goal is, at the very end of the refresh, that we can start school the next day. Everything is ready to go, all the applications are ready, the computers are joined to the network, everything has checked out, and everything's in place, so the teachers will come in and be able to start the class.
Just because a computer has been removed from the classroom, its usefulness with Sarasota County Schools is not necessarily over.
Every year we are able to use computers to replace the point-of-sale machines in the cafeterias. And so those computers still serve a valuable purpose to our food and nutrition staff at point of sale, but have outlived their useful life in the classroom. So it's really getting the most life out of the computing equipment that we have.
It takes 4 years to refresh all the computers in the district, and Linda's team makes the whole process seamless. Lessons learned from this summer will aid next year's tasks, which are already in the works. For Linda, she's happy knowing our students and teachers have what they need to be successful.
It makes me feel good. I feel like I'm really delivering the tools for teachers and students